Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see how to start a hotel business with less investment, up to 5 lakhs. It's my vision. So I have divided into two only small investments up to 5 lakhs, large investment up to 10 lakhs. Small investment means you are preparing from somewhere else and you are bringing all the materials and you are selling the item like breakfast or lunch or dinner. Otherwise, you are having without kitchen, it means. So you are having with the kitchen and making it there itself, because cost rental cost is more. Mainly this hotel has to be there in the main road or corner of the bus stand or railway station, like that. So in that big area it is difficult to get. So according to that you have to decide the kitchen has to be within the supply area or it has to be outside. It has to be, you have to decide it. So I have divided into requirements, opportunities, bank loan, investments, what are the project costs, how income is coming, what are the expenses may occur, and how the provision balance sheet is there, how the projected balance sheet for the further upcoming years, how it has to be. So these are the, and then this I have made it. Requirements, dedication, you have to be dedicated, because if you are appointing somebody and he is working and you are sitting in home or in office or some, you are doing something else, this business will not run. You have to come, you have to work, you have to get work done from others also. So dedication must be there. Place 150 to 150 square feet to 400 square feet. If with kitchen is not there, if with kitchen means, then up to 750 square feet it will be good. According to that, rental value will be more. Mainly working customer are there, they will come and eat. You also have to canvas your business. So if quality and taste are good, schools, colleges, any functions are there, banks, LICs, any government offices, if any functions are there, they will call you, and you can get monthly order, weekly or something, you can get regularly. So my idea is, I confidently I can tell you that monthly income you will get up to 65,000 monthly, you can get it. Yearly you can get 7,80,000 you can get yearly. So what are the opportunities are there? If you see less investments, up to 3 to 5 lakhs, the less investments will be there. Schools and colleges, you can get order for any marriage function or any functions. Profits are more, and very loss is very less. So if you are doing good and your materials are being sold, loss is less. Your materials are not sold, it is stagnant, then loss is huge. So you must work according to your work only, it will be there. So small investment and large investment I have told you. So you first you go for small investment, after that you go for a large investment. So thread means holidays. So any holidays are there, competition, these are the few threads, but it can be overcome. These threats can be overcome. Investment, kitchen, for buying kitchen materials, silver utensils, these things, and furnitures and fittings. 5 lakhs we are approaching under Mudra, PMEJP or UEJP or UNISCALES. So if I am asking for 5 lakhs, rate of interest is 9.5, number of years, 5 years I am going to repay it, monthly EMI is 10,500, yearly is 1,20,000 I am going to pay. Bank loan, you must have an account holder, and the working customer will come and get come for eating. This PAN, Aadhaar and all, everything you have to submit for taking civil reports. Quotations, you have to submit the quotations for kitchen or material, for buying kitchen material and furnitures and meeting fittings. So RTGS or DD will be taking, and this is given to them. And project report is here, a simple calculation. Rental agreement, you have to make a rental agreement for 5 years, up to 5 years loan term, and everything will be done, it will be there. So after 5 years you can modify or change like that. Rental agreement will be clear it. You can go for schemes, Mudra, PMEGP, something. Projected balance sheet, and next upcoming years 10% will be added to this. So if you see the project report, name Selvam Hotel, Selvam Hotel is a proprietor is Murugan. Address is 2 address, one is your home address, where you are going to start that address also you have to make note. Age is there for major or minor identification, and the exit age. Qualification is there, if any is there is good, otherwise no problem. Term loan, total loan limit is, we are asking 5 lakh, margin 1,25,000 we are going to put our own amount. So 6,25,000 we are going to purchase kitchen material, furniture and fitting for starting this hotel business. By this material, our input, this business has to go and run. Buying vegetables, biryani, rice, these items, you have to have your hand in advance. So yearly monthly income monthly income you will be getting sales or income 2 lakhs 1000, 24 lakhs 20,000 per yearly you can get. And expenditure if you see, so yearly 60 lakhs 32,000 and 1 lakh 36,000 monthly expenditure will be there. Yearly 65,000 and 7 lakh 80,000 will be your yearly profit. So you can go for Mudra, PMAGP or EGP. How the income is arrived? So I have calculator here: breakfast, lunch and dinner. For breakfast 30% are coming, lunch 50% are coming, dinner 50% are coming. So totally 130% are eating. I have put a limited calculation. For breakfast it is 40 rupees, idli, dosa or anything. Lunch 60. Right. Dinner I have put 50 rupees because one parota is 12 rupees or 50 rupees. 3 parotas itself will cost 45. One omelette will cost 50 rupees. So totally I have roughly calculated 50 rupees. Daily income is 6,700. Monthly income is 2 lakh 1000. Yearly income will be 24 lakhs 12,000. Expenses if you see, power, EV power it's necessary, and the purchases of materials itself will be more cost, 10 lakh 80,000. Salary is to the employee 1 lakh 44,000. Bank interest is 1 lakh 26,000. Rent I have taken 72,000. 6,000 into 12. And administrative cost if you take 1 lakh 50,000. So totally 16 lakhs 32,000 total it will be coming. Our profit is 7 lakhs 80,000. If you include it, 24 lakhs 12,000 will be the our total expenditure side. Sales side if you see, this is a provisional balance sheet. Sales income 24 lakhs 12,000. Breakfast, lunch, dinner 24 lakhs 12,000 will be there. And expenses of purchase of material, power, depreciation, employee salary, bank interest, rental, everything same. Whatever we have discussed here will be coming. Our net profit, our profit 7 lakh 80,000 yearly. Monthly 65,000. 65,000 we can get our income. And see, this will be coming by this balance sheet. Liability is, asset is 7 lakh we are having our own land or building or vehicles. And the current asset for running this business, current asset 3 lakhs we are having. Receivable 2 lakhs already we have given for marriage function or any other function. We have delivered the food and yet we have to get the amount. So receivable. Closing stock is closed, that we are having raw materials like rice, vegetables and finished item also we can take it as a 1 lakh 50,000. Total if you see, 23 lakh 50,000 is will be in asset side. Liability side, capital is 6 lakh we are having capital to put at any time. Term loan if you have got from bank 5 lakhs. Current liability to run the show we have taken 2 lakhs, creditors 3 lakhs, unsecured loan 7 lakh 50,000. Totally if you see, this provisional balance sheet will show you the good growth. So every year 10%. So this is 22, sales will be 24 lakh. 23 sales will be 26 lakh 50,000. 2023 it will be 29 lakhs. Like that it will be going on growing. So my best wishes you that you start a hotel business, you think first you do market study, discuss with your family, and then you make a survey report and make project report according to this, the provisional balance sheet, approach the bank and you succeed. This is the best industry that we can survive. Latestly we see hotel and pharmacies are running good. So if you select this business and doing market study whether it will run or not, then it will fetch a very good income and you can also be a very good businessman. If anything, put in my comment box. Thanks a lot. All the best.